Those little quokkas will eat everything you give to them. Everything which is yummy. Once it gets in their hands, it's there. No way you're gonna take it back. Now I'll kind of close the door and go to the beach because there is a bread in my hand. And definitely it's a yummy bread. Ah, look at that piece in the hand. And it's good piece. Easy to eat. Okay. I like that. Okay guys, it's time to go out. It's all yours.